Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Pooja pursuing BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, currently studying in third semester, section BrahMos, course name SCR. So in this video, we'll be talking about plantation, organic farming, water conservation, heritage walk and food walk. So this presentation explores the evolving landscape of plantation farming, highlighting the growing importance of sustainable practices and the shift towards organic methods. So large-scale farming. Plantations are large-scale agricultural operations specializing in a single crop such as tea, coffee, rubber, or palm oil. These systems often focus on maximizing yield and profit. Economic importance. Plantation farming is a significant contributor to global food and commodity supply chains. They play a crucial role in the economy, creating jobs and generating revenue. Challenges in conventional plantation farming. Soil degradation. Intensive monoculture practices can lead to soil depletion, erosion, and loss of biodiversity. Overuse of fertilizers and pesticides can also contaminate soil and water resources. Environmental impact. Conventional plantation often have a heavy resilience on synthetic inputs, contributing to pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. This can negatively impact local ecosystems and communities. Social concerns. Some plantations have faced criticism for labor exploitation, lack of fair compensation, and negative impacts on indigenous communities. So, transitioning to organic practices, soil health, building healthy soil through composting, cover cropping, and crop rotation. Pest management, utilizing natural pest control methods such as beneficial insects, biological agents, and organic pesticides. Nutrient management, employing organic fertilizers, manure, and compost to enrich soil and reduce resilience on synthetic inputs. Benefits of organic plantation farming. Improved soil health. Organic farming practices enhance soil fertility, structure, and water holding capacity. Reduce environmental impact. Organic plantations minimize pollution, conserve water, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Enhanced biodiversity. Organic methods promote biodiversity, benefiting beneficial insects, pollinators, and soil organisms. Improved product quality. Organic produce often has higher nutritional value, flavor, and freshness. Soil health and nutrient management. Composting. Organic matter is composted and applied to the soil to enrich it with nutrients and improve its structure. Cover cropping. Non-cash crops are grown between cash crops to protect the soil, prevent erosion, and add organic matter. Crop rotation. Rotating crops with different nutrient requirements helps to maintain soil fertility and reduce pest disease and pressure. Pest control in organic plantations. Beneficial insects. Introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to control pest populations. Organic pesticides. Using naturally derived pesticides such as neem oil, sulfur, and botanical extracts. Trap cropping. Planting specific crops to attract pests away from main crops, reducing damage. Water conservation strategies. Drip irrigation, precisely delivering water directly to plant roots, minimizing water waste. Mulching, using organic materials to cover soil, reducing evaporation and maintaining soil moisture. Rainwater harvesting, collecting rainwater for irrigation, reducing reliance on groundwater sources. So certifications and regulations. Third-party adult independent organizations verify that organic practices are followed. Strict standards. Organic certification ensures adherence to specific guidelines for production and processing. Market access certification enables products to be marketed and sold as organic, attracting a premium price. So there are marketing consumer trends as well. For my project, that is for the first and the third module of SER, that is plantation and organic farming. For plantation, I had adopted an indoor plant which was space lily. I had thoroughly maintained the water temperature, the soil moisture content, and all the other required elements to for the plant to grow. And for my organic farming, we had gone through the event that had happened in GKVK, which is basically a mela called Krishi Mela. There we had proceeded to investigate or learn and cultivate the practices that are followed usually in the organic farming done by various farmers across the country to enhance the soil as well as the moisture content such a way that it could it could give a good yield to a crop, as well as can the crop that is produced is much more healthier than what it is got from the hybrid farming, is what we learned. The next one is the water conservation, heritage walk, and food walk. So water scarcity, a global challenge, increasing demand. Growing populations and changing lifestyles lead to escalating water demand, placing strain on infinite resources. Climate change impacts. Climate change intensifies drought and floods, disrupting water availability and exacerbating water scarcity challenges. The importance of water conservation, sustainable future. Converting water ensures its availability for future generations, safeguarding ecosystems and supporting human well-being. Environmental protection. Water conservation protects aquatic ecosystems, mitigating water population and preserving biodiversity. Economic growth. Water conservation promotes sustainable development, reducing water-related conflicts and fostering economic growth. Traditional water harvesting methods. Tanks and wells. Ancient civilizations developed indigenous systems like tanks and wells to capture and store rainwater, ensuring water security. Catchment areas. Traditional communities. Traditional communities harness natural resources like hills and slopes to create catchment areas for water collection. Sustainable practices. These methods embody a deep understanding of water cycles and sustainable resource management, offering valuable lessons for the present. Heritage walk, exploring ancient water systems. Historical sites, walking through ancient water systems provides a glimpse into the ingenuity and resilience of past generations. Architectural marvels, explore intricate design of stepwells, canals, and water reservoirs, showcasing architectural brilliance. Community stories, listen to local narratives and learn about the cultural significance of water in sharpening communities. Importance of preserving cultural heritage. Shared identity. Cultural heritage fosters a sense of community and belonging, preserving traditional values and stories for future generations. Environmental wisdom. Traditional knowledge offers invaluable insights into sustainable practices, providing solutions for contemporary challenges. Tourism and economic growth. Preserving cultural heritage attracts tourists, generating economic activity and supporting local communities. Food walk, discovering sustainable local cuisines, local ingredients. Embark on a culinary journey exploring local ingredients, highlighting seasonal produce and traditional recipes. Water-wise practices. Discover cuisines that emphasize water conservation, highlighting traditional cooking methods and food preservation techniques. Cultural exchange. Engage with local food producers and chefs, learning about their culinary traditions and sustainable practices. Connecting water, heritage, and food. Water conservation, traditional knowledge, sustainable cuisines. Water conservation, cultural heritage, and sustainable food systems are interwoven, forming a holistic approach to sustainable living. Community engagement and education. Awareness. Raising awareness about water scarcity and the importance of conservation is crucial for fostering collective action. Skills. Empowering communities with knowledge and skills to implement water saving practices is key to long term impact. Collaboration. Encouraging collaboration between government NGOs and communities is essential for effective water management. Inspiring action, individual and collective steps. Water saving devices. Use water efficient shower heads, toilets, and appliances to reduce water consumption at home. Community gardens. Participate in community gardens, promoting sustainable food production and fostering community engagement. Environmental awareness. Reduce plastic waste, practice responsible disposal, and support initiatives aimed at protecting water resources. So, for my part in the SER for the heritage work, I had visited Leh Pakshi, which is near Andhra border. It was quite a very heritageful place. I got to learn a lot of stuff relating to its history and the cultural background. And as for my water conservation, we had visited the water treatment plant the near our college, like which is embedded in our college, which has a lot of rainwater harvesting and sewage water treatment, etc. And for my food work, we had a wonderful opportunity to visit uh, we had a wonderful opportunity to visit an orphanage and spend time with the children over there. So we got to learn a lot. The experience was good, and I hope this video is kind of impactful. Thank you.